On today's Baler Bulletin, I'm James Gibson.
And I'm Ethan Pagulayan.
Janae Rowling, better known as by her pen name, J.K. Rowling, is a British author, philanthropist, film producer, and television producer, and screenwriter.
She stated that it's impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you have failed by default.
The homecoming parade float results are in. In the club category, third place went to French Club. Second place went to Link Crew. And first place went to the ASB. In the class category, fourth place went to the juniors. Third place went to the sophomores. And second place went to the freshmen. And first place went to the seniors. Thank you to all the clubs and classes staff members that participated in this parade.
There will be a rep from SCU, San Macros, today in the Career Center. Sign up for plus time to find what this part of the California State University system has to offer you.
Still thinking about that summer trip, 2023 trip to Europe, but you missed the mandatory parent meeting? Well, you're in luck. There's another opportunity for you and your parents to find out about the great opportunity to see the capitals of Ireland, Scotland, Britain, and France. Join us November 10th at 7 p.m. in room 354. This is an in-person meeting. Please note, this is not a school-sponsored activity.
Drummers, piano players, musicians of all kinds, come and be a part of the SVHS Winter Percussion Assemble. Try it out during Baler support time sessions labeled Percussion in room 211 for the next 2 weeks. No experience is required since they'll train you. Talk to Mr. Fortino in room 211 if you have any questions.
Congratulating to Maya Perez, Nico Gutierrez, for being crowned the homecoming queen. We hope all the royalty enjoyed themselves and the festivities. Go Balers!
The Halloween contest results are in. For the individual categories, first place went to Teotihuacan Gonzalez as a king, second place went to Jadalyn James as Dora the Explorer, and third place went to Rebecca Negrete as Kazuho Kaidahara. For the group category, first place went to Circle of Friends, second place went to the freshman class as Hippies, and third place went to Amelia Bozzetta and Taylor Smith as Taylor Swift and the Boy the Next Door. Congratulations to our winners. You'll be contacted soon regarding your prizes.
Bumpfest applications are out. This is a car show with a variety of categories, including best stereo system, cleanest, best looking, and more. The link is on the school webpage under ASB. Also, the ASB Instagram in our link tree. Enter today.
Did you see those awesome panels at the rally and game last Friday? Well, we have the results here for the class panel competition. In fourth place, it's the sophomores. Third place went to freshmen, second place went to seniors, and first place goes to the juniors. Great job to all classes and thank you for your beautiful artwork.
A student news magazine about San Benito High School has been launched on YouTube. Check out Neil and the Hay Bale Show on the Baler Media YouTube channel. We think you'll like it.
There will be a professional from Comedy Sports San Jose conducting our improvisation workshop Tuesday after school outside room 223. Everyone's welcome. Come and have some fun.
Looks like that's about it for today's Baler Bulletin. Have a great day, and remember, go Balers!